Damn, why he shitting on FDF? Josiah, get him.
I run FDF and it's like literally changed my life.
And now we get to do the car reviews. So you want to open it here?
Oh, yeah.
I was stoked to see y'all give cars less than an 8 this time with Jonathan Castro. Y'all gave some 6s and I was happy because y'all been giving a lot of 9s. A lot of 9s. And I was like,
well, the caliber of car
do you judge it?
Has been going up. Like, dude, when we first started, motherfuckers were sending me pictures of just engine bays that didn't have engines in them. And I was like,
yeah.
Like, review my car. Review what, bro?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like, and I'm not being an asshole because I am an asshole by nature, but like, it would just be a picture of an engine bay that has rust and like half of it's spray painted. And then they're like, review my car. I'm like, what the fuck, man? And so then we get Corvettes and like, so I'm like biased. I'm like, dude, it's a fucking Corvette. It's a 9. It's a vet, you know? So that's how that happens.
All right. So this is Alex. I'm not even going to try. I'm sorry, but
Flores.
Queerez.
Queer. You don't want me to say shit.
All right. So the car is a Corvette.
Yeah.
What do we got
the
on
specs are in here if you go down.
Oh,
I did put the specs in here. It's a LS2 car, full Z06 wide body. I'm assuming that means that he did the Z06 conversion. Which
what is a medium cam?
Damn, why he shitting on FDF? Josiah, get him.
Yeah, I don't know.
FDF, dude. I run FDF and it's like literally changed my life.
Dude, I don't know. I think that the internet just gives people this voice that they think that because they can be heard, that they should be heard. And I got to tell you, as somebody with a podcast, that's not always true. So
a lot of people are stupid too.
Yeah. So, and then he says, and on Boomer reps, I vote. You get a point extra for reps. I think you get knocked down a hair.
What reps are those though? I'm not a big wheel guy.
They look like
Dude, to me, those are wheels. Rims.
I think
they look like Inkies, maybe. Might be a complete.
I mean, they're a good-looking wheel. Who cares? They hold air and they're round. They're gonna wipe me up for that.
Probably.
But I am not.
Probably,
dude,
yeah.
I am not paying $2,000 for wheels. I'm
That
sorry.
doesn't look like the same wheel in the back there. It looks like he's got something
the
else.
fronts
on
are
there.
the same.
Usually, yeah, the rears are always changing.
The fronts are the same though. So,
Dude, your car is exactly like my brother's car, except for not as fast. So I give it like 8.
I'll give it a 7.5.
I mean, for it's
a simple seat time Corvette. That's nice.
7.5. Yeah,
I don't know why you shitted on FDF though. That's why you get a 7.5.
yeah. Dude, I used to
And I have a GK Tech angle kit.
to quote
But
Jimmy
Josiah
Oaks.
is just awesome.
Yeah, to quote Jimmy Oaks, he used to drive around his car, not drive the car. That was me for the long. Dude, if I show you, I have my alignment specs from what I used to drive until like I refreshed the car, got a FDF kit on the front of it, and got it like aligned with lasers and aligned in the rear with lasers. Dude, it was like I was driving a dirt track car for like 2 years when I first got this thing after I wrecked it. Because I was like, that'll work. Yep. Horrible, dude. It was tracking this way instead of going straight. I was driving around a car. I couldn't do shit. I got it aligned, put FDF on it. Dude, that's what put me and progressed me so far this last year is that FDF kit. Because it's like, it's just so natural. Like, if I think the car's going to do it. That's how like I am with my car now.
Yeah.
Because
It becomes second nature.
Once you get it so dialed, to me, I don't have to think about it. Like it's just I'm doing it. I'm out there.
Dude, you want me to blow your mind? Is not everybody's like that?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's like that thing you ever hear people say, like some people have an internal monologue and it's themselves speaking. Okay, some people have it's typed. Some people read in their head.
That's crazy to fucking think about.
Yeah, not everybody, but that's what I'm saying is not everybody's like that. Some people got to think about it because I'm more like that. I feel like I drive like where it's like I'm doing, it's muscle memory, you know, like, oh, I'm too far outside. I better, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like
I know to react.
I
before
literally
do.
just talk to myself in the car.
yeah.
To me, everybody's better than me though. If I'm lined up on a line at a comp, like I don't care who you are. Like it could be somebody that you know, you're like, okay, look, I got to fall back a little bit. But to me, if I line up next to you, I have a mentality in a comp. You're better than me, 100%. I got to run your door.
It'll be risky when
the guy next to me is always better than me, and that mentality, I guess, has always put me like in a good mindset at a comp to always drive aggressively, no matter who it is. Because if you back off, that's when you make mistakes.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I'm a 100% driver, dude. If I'm behind you and we're going in, I'm bumping you. You can ask all my friends. I am pushing you down the straight to make you enter faster. 100%. Fun day, comp day, it does not matter. I enter on your door and you're going to know I'm there.
On your ass, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. I am aggressive as fuck.
All right. Let's get, oh, wow.
Okay, so this guy has 2 cars.
FSX Racing.
He has this BMW. So it looks very expensive, and the kit is like this is
a drift car?
God. Yeah.
This
is yeah.
Wow.
So this is how you make a BMW look cool, in my opinion.
100%.
Right? So
that's not it. Sorry.
no, it is. That's his other car.
That's
his other car. We'll get to that. But all right.
Well, like, dude, they're kind of tied together because he says that he modified this one to the Evo to represent this car a little bit, so they match kind of, so they can take pictures.
Well,
like
it just fucked me up because I scrolled down on your notes to make sure it was the same car, and I thought it was from this sideways ass angle.
It's got canyards or canards or whatever, and oil coolers hanging everywhere, and a big fuck off wing, and
big fuck off wing.
Dude, it's fucking
nice.
yeah,
big shopping cart wing.
See, and that's cool.
Yeah,
I think I'd probably give that
if the wing's done right.
I'd probably give that an 8.5. I bet that car was expensive
That's a 9
to build,
to
and I
me.
bet it rips.
What's the inside look like? What motor's in it?
He didn't send that.
That's probably a factory motor.
It's an E92 335i, 400 horsepower, Wisefab, GT radial, 295s in the rear, BC coils. Body kit is TrackMad, which is the first one to leave the EU. And then I modified it to more closely match my Evo. Okay, I'm sorry. The drift car matches the Evo. That makes more sense, actually, because when you said that, I was like, what the fuck? But all right, so
it looks like up in Washington.
Yeah.
Is that Evergreen?
Oh, yeah, that does look like Evergreen.
They're big into BMWs up there.
Yeah, see, this is the like, dude, actually, I'm going to give this guy a 9 because this is the platform that I want people, like scroll down to where it shows the next car. Not the next car, but just scroll to where I can read the next thing.
What?
Go to the next picture. Right there. That is how you need to give me the mods list. And there's nothing wrong with telling me your mods list is really long. I understand that. But not like longer doesn't necessarily equate to a higher score. Also, we're assholes. So the score doesn't mean anything. Okay?
Yeah,
but this is way more consumable information. He says what it is, how much it makes, what kind of angle kit's on it, what kind of tires he runs, what kind of suspension he has, and the custom
He gave the details
shit
that people give a shit about.
The meat and potatoes.
Very good. 9 out of me.
Yeah.
9 out of me for a BMW, and that's saying something.
Yeah.
Just so I can
Still got a 9 from me.
Just so I can rate this Evo as a 10.
All right, we'll go back. Did you already rate it?
I did not.
So 9, and
It's a little high. If I'm gonna be honest, it's a little high.
How do you know? You don't even know about that track.
Cool
what track's it at? What if the track has a
You're right.
jump?
You could be like,
It looks pretty good.
I mean, the
there.
stance is damn good right here.
what's up with the rear?
I think it's
The trailer fender deals in the back over there.
I think it's part of that kit. He says that's the first kit that's ever left the EU.
As long as the fender cutout isn't square, that's all I give a shit about. These square ass body kits that are coming out with now look so stupid.